Hello and welcome to Types of Nouns, Compound and Collective Nouns, lesson number 4. And in this video we're going to learn about compound and collective nouns and how to use them in sentences. What are compound nouns? Compound nouns are nouns that are created by joining two words together to form a new word. Compound nouns can be made of two nouns or a combination of nouns, adjectives, prepositions, or verbs. Here's some examples of compound nouns. The first example are two nouns, base and ball, joined together to create one new word, baseball. The next example is a noun and a verb, hair and cut. The compound noun is haircut. The next example is a preposition and a noun, under, ground, and the new word is underground. The next example is an adjective and a verb, high and light, highlight. Next example is a verb and a preposition, take, out, take out. And lastly, a noun and a verb, sun and rise. The new compound noun is sunrise. So compound nouns are two different words of different types combined to make new words: baseball, haircut, underground, highlight, takeout, sunrise. Here's some more examples. Policeman, made of police and man, policeman. Girlfriend, bedroom, rainfall, swimming pool, washing machine. These two examples are compound nouns where the words don't fuse together into a single word like policeman. They keep their individuality, but they're both used together to make the new compound noun. Swimming pool, washing machine. It's one thing made of two words, but in this instance we don't add them together like we would girl and friend, girlfriend. Greenhouse, software, output, upturn, lookout, motorcycle. These are all examples of compound nouns. This is examples of compound nouns in sentences. Number 1, I grow vegetables in my greenhouse. Green and house. Greenhouse. Number 2, his swimming pool is very large. Number 3, Douglas has new software on his computer. Number 4, the rainfall this month is 4 inches. Number 5, you need to get your driving license. Number 6, the motorcycle is broken again. These are all examples of compound nouns. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are nouns that are used to represent a group of people, animals, or things. Here are some examples. I put them in 3 categories: people, animals, and things. An army of soldiers. Army is one thing, but it's made up of individual soldiers. So it's a collective noun, one thing, an army of soldiers. A choir of singers. A team of players. It's one team, but there's many players. A band of musicians. Animals. A pack of wolves, a school of fish, a pride of lions, an army of ants. Army is a collective noun used for people or ants. Things, a pair of shoes, a pack of cards, a fleet of ships, a galaxy of stars. All of these are collective nouns. How to use collective nouns in sentences. When collective nouns are working as one in unison, you use a singular verb. Here's 3 examples. Sentence number 1. The class waits for the test to start. The entire class of students is doing the same thing at the same time. They're all waiting. So we're going to use a singular verb with an S on the end. The class waits for the test to start. Number 2, the fleet sails west to Hawaii. The fleet of ships are all doing the same thing at the same time. They're all sailing west, so the fleet sails west to Hawaii. Number 3, the army marches to its base. The entire army is doing the same thing at the same time they're marching. The army marches to its base. When collective nouns are working independently, you use a plural verb. Example number 1, the class start their homework assignments. This means the students in the class start, but they're doing it independently. Some are starting on math, some are starting their science, some may still be talking and slowly starting. Since they're not in unison, they're independently working. Even though they are a collective noun as a class, it's the way that they're working determines plural verb or singular verb. So they're working independently. We're going to go with a plural verb, start. The class start their homework assignments. Number 2, the fleet sail to their home ports. The fleet is breaking up and they're all sailing to different ports. The fleet sail to their home ports. Number 3, the army rest around the base. All the soldiers in the army are different places doing different things, but they're all resting. So the army rest around the base, but they're not in unison, they're working independently. Compounding collective nouns assessment. Number 1, the army is large and strong. Number 2, I need to find a football for the game. Number 3, the washing machine is broken. Number 4, the pride sleeps all day long. Number 5, she needs to buy some new software. Number 6, we need to get a new motorcycle. Number 7, my team needs new uniforms. Number 8, the committee runs the company. So take the underlined word and choose if it is a compound or collective noun. And you can pause the video now to give yourself a little more time. Okay, let's see what the answers are. Army is a collective noun. The army is large and strong. Football is a compound noun. Foot and ball, football. Washing machine is a compound noun. 2 words, washing machine, washing machine. Number 4, pride is a collective noun. Number 5, software, compound, soft and wear added together. Number 6, motorcycle, compound noun, motor and cycle together, motorcycle. Team is a collective noun. And lastly, number 8, committee. Committee is a group. It is a collective noun. Please like, subscribe, and share to hear more videos in the near future. Thank you for watching DouglasESL.